Just kidding.
He's doing it again.
Probably. You won. Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, just do it straight in.
Okay, holy shit, that was awesome.
There goes a buck.
No, that's already 3.
Oh, we're up to $5 now.
Shit, oh, we were in.
Don't worry about it, it'll go out.
Hold on, head on.
God!
Hold on.
Okay, we have a kid here, so you can't watch it.
Whoa, that was in my face.
I'd throw it down lower.
You know, I'm going to stand back a little, just so I can see this better.
I'm back in the bench up.
All right. I got Gets in the picture now. Dude, that's awesome. That was a delayed reaction.
Okay, I'm gonna just fill it.
Go around now.
You're going to fill it?
I'm gonna pretty much fill it and throw the whole thing in there.
Dude, step back.
Do it on the bottom side of it.
No.
Yeah, because that way it'll get going faster.
As you're dripping together on the lawn.
Jesus. This is totally going on YouTube.
Hell, the fire god.
Well, it's going up now.
Zoom in.
It's going now.
As you're nothing on this side. What? Don't jump over it.
Climb on the place?
No, yes, are you serious?
He's dumb.
Once you get lower, you can do that.
What do you